What's up mga kababalaghan? At ngayon na naman ang ating panibagong video o series na naman na gagawin natin. Ito ang tinatawag na Parables. So yun nga, maglaro tayo play yung game. Are you sure? Yes, I know. Ito na naman tayo season namang kababalaghang beat. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron sa video na to, pero sige, lalaruin ko siya kasi ako ay isang matapang. Ooh, wow, this is nice, dude. Parables. Oh, what the frick? 14 January 1997. As the legends say, there is a hidden mask in the Parables pyramid left by the god of the sun. What? Whoa, what? Bro, the sound! Dude, the sound! The mask, which makes the user control the elements of the nature, could only be used by the pharaoh. So yung mga mami, yun ba yun? But the last pharaoh put his mask in really hidden. Dude. For centuries, people that enter the pyramid to find the secret have been lost. Okay. It is said the room is cursed and who dares to enter will never fall. That's nice. Gusto ko yung mga ganon. Even though I fear a lot, I will find the mask. Ang tapang mo, bro! Yan tayo mga lalaki. Mga matatapang. Ayoko na! Hello! Hi, basically, okay. Hi, I walk here sa inyo. Hi, yes. Hello. Jesus Christ, hi. Hi, my name is Double A New B. Press here to interrupt something. Okay, right. Sensitivity na ako. Find out. Inis, hindi tayo kaya. Dilim kasi. Siyan. Tigil mo ba? Jesus freaking tugtama ni popcorn. Ayoko na sa'yo, ka. Holy macaroni, Jesus. Oh no. Oh wow, that's so sexy. Oh, wait nga lang. Jesus Christ. Oh, hi, hello. That's a sexy. Well. Oh, aray, putik na yan. Saglit ka, aray. Ow. Read the pages. Okay. Putik na yan eh. Saglit lang, wala pa. Putik. Wala pa eh. Ha? Anak ng inayo. Aray. Are you freaking kidding me right now, dude? Mamatay agad tayo. Gulo ng game na. Isa kasi siyang ano eh. What's your step? Hindi ako takot sa'yo ah. Jesus, kinda cool, but alright, easy. Why?
So will be mine.
I don't care about you. Shut up. Shut up. Shut the freak up. Basag ang buto. Hi, kitty cat. Hello, cute. Oh, God. Jesus. Okay. God damn it. Nasa para sa inyo. Para sa inyo. Ayoko na. Putik na yan, nanay! Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Hope you guys enjoyed that episode 1. Smash like, subscribe episode 2. See you guys. Oh my God, ayoko na. Tama na. See you guys next time.
You're like, oh, you asshole.